our garden repositioning. So we changed the sensor. We repositioned a lot of our plants from optimal growth. And then we have these few in our last video that needed to come outside. So time I come out here and I smell how good the basil smells. It smells phenomenal. So these are our plants. We're going to put them in. I'm going to take some soil out there. That's a mustard green. Now mustard greens really like cool weather. So the fact that this one is doing pretty good in that corner, I'm going to see if some of our other cooler heads can prevail in there as well. Keep each other cool right inside, because 3 can fit. Definitely. 3 can definitely fit. So we're just going to get them in there in the cool shade of the other plants. And put our soil back. I'm trying to trim off some of the leaves for it to regrow. I wanted to get that strength from the light. So we got it in here. And we'll come check on it from time to time. Next is our basil. So we got our lettuce growing in there. Next is our basil. It is hot. Let's bring our basil out to this one. This one has a lot of spots on it because of the watering issue that it had. So a lot of the plants that were here didn't do well. I'm going to also bring our basil in the in-between space here because the weather is pretty, I mean, it does get a lot of sun. I'm not going to say, it still gets a lot of sun, but it's okay if it gets a good amount of sun. We're ready to trim the edges of our basil. Let's get it in there. Usually this one definitely needs to be trimmed before going in here, but again, they do so well. I'm not even going to trim it because I know it's going to do excellent in here. They do very good. Here's another one we didn't trim. It adapted very well. They adapt extremely well from hydroponic to inside. Here's another one growing new sections of basil that came from inside. And sometimes it just faints for like a day or two and then comes back up. We have this cucumber plant growing here, and it's just holding on to everything, even though we have clear cut places for it to run. So let's just put that there for it to run. While we're outside, we pick up our pan. Before we go back in, this is a very short one. It's just a continuation because it was pouring, so we couldn't come out here. Check on our plants. They're doing very well. Very well. Take this one out of the cup and plant it. Because it could be planted right now. I mean, well, it's very wet. It could be planted right now. Again, this Greenstalk, there goes our rice. Our rice is starting its journey. Oh, yes. All right, let's see who has space. This is tomato plant here. The thing can get some real sun, so it's okay. Our pepper plant can get a lot of sun. That's a rice there. I want to mix it with rice. Here's some sorrel plants growing out. Take it out. Take out a good amount. This is wet. So yeah, we had to stop the video earlier because of how much rain was coming down. So we couldn't come outside and bring the plants out. So we're just gonna, this plant is soaking wet because it was in the cup. Also, while it was raining, it was outdoors. You got good soaking. Wow, these roots are looking very well. All right, so we got this one in. Place our cup in there. I don't know if this is a hot pepper. It looks like it could be a one of our colorful peppers. Because I did like our green, yellow, red, because I planted those in the cups because I had a lot of cups lying around that we grew from seed. So we're just going to plant that in there. The sun pattern for here that comes around the side, south side, it goes from east to west. So these plants do pretty good. Hours of downpours. Anyway, Thank you very much for joining. We got our plants from our garden inside to their new home outside in their Greenstalk, where they're going to stay out here for the season. Hopefully, when the fall comes, we're going to do a little cover on it to keep it nice and warm. I mean, fresh. We're going to frost cover these plants and get our fall plants growing for August. Thank you very much for joining. It's been Angeline and the team. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Also don't forget to visit for more information, visit our website, avgardening.com. And please support us at patreon.com. It's Angeline, patreon.com/Angeline Verdant, Verdent. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you guys next time. Goodbye for now.